Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about algebra in chapter 3. You just see the introduction now. Then algebra is the study of mathematical symbols and rules for calculating these symbols. You just learn the mathematical symbols and the rules for the symbols. In algebra, numbers are often represented by symbols called variables. The name of that symbol is called variables. Including the numbers, you just use the variables. That is x, y, z, a, b, c. That alphabets are called variables. Numbers are called constants. Okay. Now let us see the next heading. Algebraic expression about an algebraic expression may contain fractions, okay, including numbers and fractions and negative powers on their variables. For example, xy square minus 5 divided by z. This is an algebraic expression. Okay. For this one, types of expressions are there. The first one, monomial, binomial and trinomial. So let us see about the types of expressions. Now let us see the types of expression one by one. See the first heading, monomial. That is an expression which contains only one term is called a monomial. That is for this expression only one term only. For example, 4x. See this one only. 4x. This one. 4 and x. This one only. There is in between there is no signs and all plus and minus. 4x. Here 5y square. Here one term only. 3m. Here this is a only one term. See the next one. Next one is binomial. Binomial means an expression which contains only two terms. Here only two terms. In this first one, monomial, here only one term. Okay, only one term. For this binomial, here only two terms is there. Is called binomial. See for the example, 2x plus 3. 2x one term. Okay, in between plus is there. Next one 3. So this is two term. Here listen, 9y square plus 7y 2. Here a square plus 5. So an expression which contains only two terms, that is called binomial. Only one term means that is called monomial. See the third one is trinomial. An expression which contains only three terms is called trinomial. So first one monomial one term, then binomial two terms. So trinomial means that is only three terms is called trinomial. For example, 2a square plus b square plus 5. See here 2a square 1, 2, 3. Totally three terms. Here also m square plus 3 1, 2, 3. So here only three terms are there. So this is called trinomial. Next one, fourth one, polynomial. An expression which contains more than three terms. That is more than three terms. Many terms is called a polynomial. For the example, a power 4 b plus b cube plus c square plus 5. So many terms, that is more than three terms are called polynomial. Is it clear now? Okay, now let us see the recap. So first heading is write the numbers of terms. So each terms you have to count the numbers of terms and then you have to write the types of expression. Okay, see the first one here, x plus y plus z minus x y z. See here how many terms you have to count. Write the numbers of terms. You have to write the numbers of each one. So 1, 2, 3. Here the same thing only. So 4. So 4 terms. 4 terms means name of this 4 terms is what? Polynomial. Okay. So the next one. Second one, m square, n square, c. Everything is one term only. Okay. Here in between there is no signs. So this is one term. That is monomial. Okay. So the third one, a square b square c minus a b square c square plus a square b c square. See here each one. This is first term, second term, third trinomial. That is what? Trinomial. See the 8x squared minus 4xy. Here one term, here one term. So total 2 terms. How to count the numbers of term and write the names. So first one, x, y, z, x, y, z. In between plus signs and minus signs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. That is polynomial. So here only one term. Second one, m squared, n squared, c. In between there is no plus and minus. So this is one term monomial. Here third one, 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. That is trinomial. Fourth one, 1, 2. 2 terms only. That is binomial. Is it clear now? See the next heading now. Then identify the numerical coefficient for each one, each term. Okay, see this one. The first one, this is the polynomial expression. More than 3 expressions are there. So this is polynomial expression. You have to find out the coefficient of each one, each term. So see the first one. First term is here 2x squared. So the coefficient of the 2x squared, here there is no sign, means plus. So that is plus 2 is the numerical coefficient. See the second one, with the sign you can take minus 5xy. It's a minus 5, the coefficient. Numerical coefficient is minus 5. The third one, 6y squared. It is plus 6. Fourth one, 7x. It is plus 7. Then last one, minus 10y. Minus 10y. With the sign you have to take minus 10. This is the numerical coefficient. Listen here. Then you must identify the numerical coefficient for each one. So here this is the given polynomial. This is the polynomial expression. So you have to take one by one. So first term 2x squared. So the numerical, the number is what here? 2 plus 2. So here minus 5xy. So the number is minus 5. That is called numerical coefficient. Okay. In between the variable, what is the number is there? This you see the number with the sign. So 6y squared equal to plus 6. 7x plus 7. Here minus 10y. Minus 10 is the numerical coefficient. Is it clear? See the second sum, the same method. Identify the numerical coefficient, same heading only. See the next one, the fractions are here. X by 3, first term is x by 3 plus 2y by 5 minus 3z by 7 minus x1. So see this one, the fraction term, this one. So here there is no number. Before x there is no number, means that is understood what? 1. That is understood 1. So plus sign is there. So x by 3, coefficient of x by 3, that is numerical coefficient of x by 3, 1 by 3. See the second one. 2y by 5. In between the y, okay? 2 by y, 2 by 5 is there. So 2 by 5 is the numerical coefficient of the second term. So third one, with the sign you can take minus 3z by 7. So leave that z. So we have minus 3 by 7. That is the numerical coefficient of the third term. So fourth one, minus xy. So before the xy there is no number, means that is understood 1. So with the sign you can take minus 1 is the numerical coefficient. There now listen. Again I am telling. See the first one, x by 3. Before that x there is no number, that is understood 1. So numerical is what? 1 by 3 here. Numerical coefficient. Here second one, 2y by 5. So except y we have 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is the coefficient of numerical coefficient. The third one, minus 3z by 7. Except z we have minus 3 by 7 is the number. So minus 3 by 7 is the numerical coefficient. The last one, minus xy. So before xy there is no number, means that is understood 1 is here. So the numerical coefficient is minus 1. Is it clear now?